Improve your affiliate marketing with our tips. In these hard economic times, everyone could benefit from some extra cash. A fun and easy way to make money from home is affiliate marketing. Well, at least it's easy enough to get started. But if you're thinking about creating a steady income, you need to form a plan. Follow the tips and tricks in this video to help you build a successful affiliate site. If one affiliate program doesn't work for you, try another one. The various programs are not all the same. They offer different products, services, and payment. Some allow more freedom and flexibility, such as color and design, to help match your site better. Finally, you can even see if your favorite vendor or store has its own affiliate program. Mix and match until you find a program that fits your needs. Make sure that you are helping your readers with your affiliate ads. Instead of looking like someone who wants to cash in on a sale using a list to get people to click on affiliate links, try be detailed with a review and then plugging the link into that. Put in some effort to get them to click on your ads. You can put your customers in a buying mood by telling them all about the advantages of the product. Do not simply mention the product or post pictures of it. Explain why you love it and how it has changed your life. Convince them that they need this product before directing them to the page where they can buy it. Savvy website owners select only the most profitable affiliate marketing partners. For an affiliate that pays webmasters on a pay-per-sale basis, a commission of 20 to 50% is not unreasonable to expect. Pay-per-sale affiliates that offer 10% or less commission are not worth a webmaster's time. Hold out for affiliates that recognize the value of their affiliate marketing partners. Pick a high-quality product. If you recommend a product that is of poor quality, it will reflect back on you as a promoter. The last thing you want people to believe is that you purposely recommended a product that doesn't work. If you wouldn't trust it, don't ask your readers to. Affiliate programs can become an alternative source of money, all from the comfort of your own home. However, in order to have any kind of success, you need to put in time and effort. The more time and effort you put in, the better the results. If you follow these tips and stick to your program, you will see results. Thousands of other people do, so why can't you? Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to Perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.